How to create a lead magnet on Wix. I'm going to tell you how to create a lead magnet on Wix. Start by choosing what your lead magnet is, like a free ebook, discount code, checklist, or exclusive content. Once that's ready, go to your Wix editor and add a new section or lightbox that will act as your opt-in form. Use the Wix Forms tool to collect names and emails and connect it to Wix contacts or your preferred email marketing app. Set up an automatic email or trigger to deliver the lead magnet once someone submits the form. You can do this through an automated workflow. Just create a rule that sends a link or file once the form is completed. Design-wise, keep it clean but attention-grabbing. Use a strong headline, a short description of the offer, and a clear call to action button. You can even make it a pop-up using the lightbox features, so it shows after a delay or when someone is about to leave the page.